The cycle is now complete and the Glock is ready to fire the next round. As the slide moves back, the hook on the connector is forced inward. This allows the trigger bar to move upward. As the slide returns forward, the trigger bar is then able to retain the firing pin. Releasing the trigger allows the connector to move back into place, again enabling the downward movement of the trigger bar. The Glock contains
In the middle position, the safety lever locks the disconnector. In the uppermost position, trigger and disconnector are blocked. In the lowest position, trigger and disconnector can move freely. As soon as the trigger is pressed, the hammer is released. The disconnector catches the hammer after firing. The trigger must be released before another shot can be fired. The hammer is then immediately caught by the trigger and the gun is ready to fire again. In fully automatic firing mode, the hammer can move freely.
Kerja